With a simple tap, you can create silky smooth, slow-motion live photos that feel straight out of an award show moment. Over the past 2 years, Vivo has consistently refreshed its S series. This lineup launches globally alongside the V series and is clearly designed for younger users. Each year is split into 2 releases, one in summer and one in winter, perfectly matching travel seasons and holiday vibes. Even the design language shifts with the seasons. So now the S50 arrives right at the end of 2025. What's new this time? Let's dive in and see. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. One thing that always stands out with every new Vivo S series phone is the back design. The version we're showing today comes in Inspiration Purple, a very soft, pale purple that feels elegant and low-key, yet still a bit mysterious. Our female colleagues mentioned that this shade has a lot of personality. The frosted glass back looks gentle on the eyes and feels durable, clean, and refined. In the hand, it's familiar, smooth, and delicate. One major plus is that it barely shows fingerprints, even in winter after using hand cream. Of course, many people prefer using a case, and this year Vivo teamed up with Nomi to create custom cases and lanyards for the S50. The whole set feels practical and cute, perfect for heading out. There's also a brighter, more playful confession color option if you're into something more vibrant. Moving on to the finer design details, the aluminum around the camera module is tinted to closely match the light purple back panel, giving the phone a strong sense of visual unity. The frame itself is aluminum with a sandblasted matte texture. The display measures 6.59 inches, right in the sweet spot for size, and the phone weighs under 200 grams, making one-handed use very comfortable. At just 7.68 millimeters thick, it's impressively slim, and the slight curve where the frame meets the back panel makes it feel even more refined. The overall configuration is solid too. Even the standard S50 comes with flagship-level IP69 and IP68 dust and water resistance, so it can handle tougher outdoor conditions with ease. Now let's talk about what really matters to many users, the camera. The S50 features a dual 50-megapixel triple camera setup, and the soft light ring at the top remains a signature design element of the S series. You can pause here to take a reminder look at the full imaging specs. From the first impressions, the S50's Portrait Live features are especially eye-catching, packed with fun and creative options. Let's break them down. In the live photo section, a new highlight slow-motion effect has been added. You don't need a red carpet or professional camera moves to pull this off. Just tap the star icon in live photo mode, frame your subject in the center, and with one tap, you'll get a smooth, slow-motion live photo that feels straight out of the Grammys. Zoom and camera movement effects are also built in. There's no need to manually adjust focal lengths. A single tap delivers fluid zooming and camera motion, making the whole process incredibly easy. Then there's the classic Hitchcock zoom, a technique often used in films. On the Vivo S50, this effect has been further refined, resulting in more vivid visuals and a striking sense of spatial compression that really grabs your attention. Portraits are another long-standing strength for Vivo, and the S50 continues that tradition. This time, it introduces a 3x golden telephoto live mode that effortlessly separates the subject from busy backgrounds, creating clean, 3-second portrait live photos that feel polished and professional. And it doesn't stop at 3x. The high-quality 6x zoom is equally impressive. This focal length is ideal for capturing facial details, offering even stronger spatial compression than 3x, making it perfect for close-up, micro-perspective portraits. The S50 also brings 4 new live film styles, labeled 1 through 4. Which one fits your style best? The instant film camera feature, first seen on the S20, has been upgraded too, now with an added retro film filter. It supports live mode as well, meaning your instant photos are no longer static. They move, adding atmosphere and immersion to the shot. There are also 2 doodle-style photo paper effects. Their colors shift depending on the environment. One intelligently traces the subject's outline, while the other freezes a specific moment in time. Both options make still photos and live photos feel more playful and expressive. And it's not just about live shots. If you prefer high-quality static portraits, the Vivo S50 still has plenty to offer. At the top of the instant film camera interface, you'll notice a popular feature making a return, the 4-panel photo mode. With one tap, you can capture 4 consecutive shots. You can delete individual frames and reshoot them, letting you carefully craft your own story-style photo set. The portrait interface continues to offer 5 Clive Classic golden focal lengths, delivering studio-like portrait results. Which focal length do you think looks the best? Of course, for most people, the most used camera is the front one, especially especially for portraits. This year, the Vivo S50 is equipped with a 50-megapixel anti-distortion soft light selfie camera paired with studio-grade dual soft lights positioned on both sides at the top. Let's check out some selfie samples. To make things clearer, we brought in a competing phone for a side-by-side comparison. Shot at the same time and from the same angle, the difference is obvious. The S50 clearly performs better. The skin tone rendering feels much more natural and pleasing. When you zoom in, the details really stand out. Hair processing, in particular, shows noticeable differences. The S50's background blur looks more natural and balanced, and individual hair strands are rendered more clearly and cleanly. In a dimly lit cafe, both the S50 and the competing phone automatically turned on their lighting. Here, the difference in texture becomes even more apparent. The actual lighting in the cafe was slightly warm, closer to what the Vivo captured. Overall, the S50's image looks clearer and more true to the scene. Finally, let's look at night selfies. Thanks to the dual soft lights on the front camera, the Vivo S50 preserves facial and hair details beautifully, while keeping the background bokeh smooth and natural. In short, whether it's day or night photos or live shots, the Vivo S50 delivers a consistently strong portrait experience. Now that we've covered the core imaging features, let's zoom out and talk about the overall quality of the phone. Starting with the display, the S50 comes with a 1.5K resolution panel and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. From what you see on camera, the bezels are nicely controlled and the rounded corner look clean and balanced. When it comes to brightness, we compared it directly with a competing model in the same price segment. Whether in manual mode or automatic adjustment, the S50's brightness ranks right at the top, and that really matters for a camera-focused phone because you need to clearly see your viewfinder even under strong outdoor lighting. Eye comfort is another area where Vivo has clearly stepped up this year. At high and medium brightness levels, the screen uses DC dimming, while low brightness switches to high-frequency PWM dimming. This time, the PWM frequency goes all the way up to 4,320 Hz, showing how much progress Vivo has made in eye protection. On top of that, the S50 includes an ultra-low brightness mode that's usually reserved for flagship devices. This is especially friendly for night owls like me or anyone who enjoys reading in bed or in a dorm room at night, as it helps reduce eye fatigue. For unlocking, the screen uses second-generation ultrasonic fingerprint recognition, which is still quite rare at this price level. Compared to traditional short-range fingerprint sensors, its placement feels more natural and makes quick unlocking easier. Even better, it works reliably with wet hands, which adds to its practicality in daily use. To ensure stable performance across different environments and use cases, the Vivo S50 is powered by the familiar Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, paired with LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.1 storage. We've already tested this chip extensively in benchmarks and gaming scenarios, and it easily handles everyday tasks and light to moderate entertainment. Since the S-Series isn't positioned as a performance-first lineup, we won't spend too much time here. What's more interesting is that Vivo has included features you don't often see in phones at this level, such as an X-axis linear motor and stereo dual speakers. These additions noticeably improve the overall experience. We'll give you a quick audio-visual demo so you can get a sense of how it feels in real use. We've also spent time with the system itself, which runs the latest Origin OS 6. The highlights of Origin OS 6 include a fresh, fruit-inspired visual style, a frosted glass aesthetic, and playful theme unlocking and lighting effects that feel fun and stress relieving. There's also a shake to share group feature that works really well. If you're traveling with friends, it makes sharing photos and files across different systems much faster and more convenient. Next up is battery life. The S50 packs a large 6,500 mAh battery along with 90-watt super fast charging. Even though the phone itself isn't bulky, the battery capacity is seriously impressive. In our testing, it charged from 0 to full in just 54 minutes. When compared with other brands in our standard 5-item battery endurance test, it's clear that Vivo has put a lot of effort into optimizing power consumption with Origin OS 6. To wrap things up, the biggest upgrades on the Vivo S50 are clearly in portrait photography, especially the live shooting experience. The wide range of live modes lets you adapt the style to different scenes and environments, producing results that are both creative and eye-catching. At the same time, the hardware takes a big step forward compared to previous models with a metal and glass build, IP68 and IP69 protection, stereo speakers, and an X-axis linear motor. The base version of the Vivo S50 starts at 2,999 yuan in China, which is roughly £318 in the UK and about $424 in the the US. Overall, the S50 delivers a very well-rounded package that comes close to flagship-level configurations. If you want your everyday photos to look more lively, stylish, and distinctive, this is definitely a phone worth considering.